Welcome to another episode. This is Ken, and today we are going to learn how to brake, how to stop a car for those first timers who have never driven or they are not experienced in this. So, welcome. I shall teach you how to simply basic. Okay, so this is the accelerator, this is the brake pad, this is the foot brake, famously known as hand brake. So, assuming you are moving, the car is moving, how do you stop a car? You just don't press the brake pedal like that. It will be an emergency, which is not necessary at that time. So, we do like this. To stop a car, you press it slowly up to the point where you'll feel a car has started to slow down, and you will continue like that until you reach the point of stop, so I'll demonstrate. As you can see, the car is moving. Assuming I want to stop here, I will press the brake further and the car will stop. It is not over yet. The car, we have not put it into parking. So while the foot is at the brake, you just come and put it to the parking, and just like that, and you put the foot brake on, and the car will be completely stopped.